Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a dish that's close to my heart, kimchi fried rice. This dish is not just a meal, it's a story of tradition, comfort, and incredible flavors. It's loved in Korean homes for its simplicity and deliciousness. Families gather around the table, sharing stories and laughter, with this dish often at the center. Imagine vibrant kimchi, fluffy rice, and savory flavors all coming together in one pan. The tangy, spicy kick of the kimchi perfectly complements the soft, warm rice, creating a harmony of flavors that dance on your palate. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is easy to follow and will impress your taste buds. The beauty of kimchi fried rice lies in its versatility and ease of preparation. Get ready for a culinary adventure. With just a few ingredients and a bit of enthusiasm, you can create a dish that's both comforting and exciting. This isn't just fried rice. It's a celebration of Korean culture and flavors. This is kimchi fried rice. Each bite tells a story of tradition and culinary artistry. It's a staple in Korean cuisine. A dish that has been passed down through generations, bringing warmth and joy to countless families. We make it with leftover rice and ripe tangy kimchi. These simple ingredients transform into something extraordinary when combined. Every bite bursts with flavor and a bit of spice. The heat from the kimchi is balanced by the richness of the rice, making each mouthful a delightful experience. Let me show you how to make it. Follow along as we go through each step, ensuring you can recreate this beloved dish in your own kitchen. From preparing the ingredients to the final stir in the pan, you'll see just how simple and rewarding it is to make kimchi fried rice. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything goes smoothly once we begin. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready will make the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. You'll need some basic pantry staples and, of course, kimchi. Kimchi is the star of this dish, providing a unique flavor that is both tangy and spicy. For this recipe, you will need cooked rice, preferably day-old. Day-old rice is perfect because it has a firmer texture that holds up well when stir-fried. You'll also need kimchi, kimchi brine, onion and garlic. The kimchi brine adds an extra depth of flavor to the dish. Green onions, cooking oil and soy sauce are also essential. The green onions add a fresh, mild onion flavor, while the soy sauce provides a savory umami taste. Don't forget the gochugaru, which are Korean chili pepper flakes. They add a beautiful red color and a nice kick of heat to the dish. Sesame oil and eggs are the final touches. The sesame oil gives a nutty aroma and flavor, while the eggs add protein and richness. Don't be intimidated by gochugaru, it adds a nice kick. With all these ingredients ready, you're set to create a delicious and authentic dish. Let's prep our ingredients. This will make the cooking process smooth and fast. First, chop the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. Mince the garlic and chop the onion. Thinly slice the green onions, separating the white and green parts. The white parts will be cooked with the other vegetables, while the green parts will be used as garnish. Section 4. The sizzle of kimchi fried rice. Now the fun part. This dish is a perfect blend of spicy, tangy and savory flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's dive into the process of making this delicious comfort food. Heat your pan and get ready for amazing smells. The key to a great kimchi fried rice is to start with a hot pan. This ensures that all the ingredients cook evenly and develop a nice, slightly crispy texture. Heat the cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. You can use vegetable oil, but for an extra layer of flavor, try using sesame oil. The nutty aroma of sesame oil adds a wonderful depth to the dish. Add the minced garlic and chopped onions, cooking until fragrant. This step is crucial as it forms the aromatic base of your fried rice. The sizzling sound and the smell of garlic and onions cooking together is simply irresistible. Add the chopped kimchi and cook for a few minutes until softened. The kimchi will release its juices, infusing the dish with its unique tangy and spicy flavors. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Push the kimchi mixture to one side of the pan. This creates space for the rice and allows the kimchi to continue cooking without burning. Add the cooked rice and drizzle with soy sauce. Stir-fry everything together. The rice should be slightly dry, which helps it absorb the flavors better. Use a spatula to break up any clumps and ensure the rice is evenly coated with the kimchi and soy sauce. Pour in some kimchi brine for extra tang and depth of flavor. The brine not only enhances the taste, but also adds a bit of moisture, making the fried rice perfectly balanced. Continue to stir fry until everything is well combined and heated through. Enjoy your homemade kimchi fried rice. Section 5. Variations on a theme. Kimchi fried rice is a blank canvas. You can add your personal touch. Want more protein? Stir in some cooked meat like beef, pork, or spam. Vegetarian? Tofu is a great option. Don't forget to top your fried rice with a fried egg and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Section 6. Share your kimchi creations. Congratulations! You've made kimchi fried rice. Now share it with your loved ones. Take a picture and tag me on social media. I love seeing your creations. Enjoy!